How to use fine links by reaming. This requires 26 gauge, but my jump rings, and because I am going to weld, it's okay for it to be thinner, but I don't have, say if you don't have 26 gauge, what you can do is, and this works for all your other chains, is to ream. If it is an oval link, all you have to do is get a pin. In this case, it's an old dental tool. Some people use, if you do cake decorating or you have nail art supplies, with a tool that is pointy, you can easily use it to ream. So basically, it's like this. And what you do is you press down onto a pad of paper. But in this case, I'm just, so that I can show it to you, what I do is basically go back and forth like this, but it is easier on a pad of paper. So already, see if you can see that, it is enlarged, and that gives you an idea of what you need to do. But I am going to use a pad of paper. So basically all I'm doing now is I'm just going to flip it down and I press down. You can use a pad of paper, stack of Post-it notes, business cards, and whatnot. So you see, essentially, what you've done is you've taken a long and oval, narrow, it could be a twist, a curb chain, but basically you've made it from oval to something that is round. And now you can add a jump ring that is significantly thicker.